What's up, everybody? Welcome back to 𝐀𝐨CIH Kids Convos Vibes Unleashed. If this is your first time here, I'm your girl Trina, and we are 6 weeks in on my monetization journey. And I can say that it's been a journey in the sense of growing. It also has been a journey in the sense of learning also. I have always considered myself a career student, so I am enjoying the learning process that comes along with this. So week 6, as far as the numbers goes, they weren't like as great as last week. I think week 5, I saw better numbers. I saw better views, different things like that. Week 6, I'm not sure if I did anything differently in a sense of something that would have affected the growth or like a steady rise, but I did gain a few viewing hours. I did gain some subscribers, so I am grateful for that. I will say that. I have been thinking about different things that I could do to help grow the channel. And I was looking at someone or maybe just a video about doing like episodes. So what are y'all thoughts on doing episode series? So I think I'm going to do that. It definitely is not going to hurt. So I think I'm going to incorporate series. So I have been brainstorming different topics and different episodes that go within it. So I think my first series is going to evolve around just different YouTube growth hacks in a sense, or maybe just minor setbacks or those stumbling blocks that new YouTubers face, and then maybe do like 4 or 5 episodes underneath that umbrella. So I'm looking forward to getting started with that, and hopefully the next video you see will be episode 1 of that series. But right now, let's go over to the numbers and then we'll be back.
Hey guys, here are my analytics from week 6, from October 3rd through the 9th. If you could look here, we have 1.2K views. I did gain 9.1 watch hours and 7 additional subscribers, so I'm excited about that. I did drop 3 videos. I had my monetization, and then I did a short form and a long form video on Thursday. So I am still committed to dropping at least 2, maybe more videos a week. If we go here, you'll see that few shorts I dropped. My channel click-through rate is 2.3, and again, I really want to get my click-through rate to about 4%, just because it's just, more so for personal reasons, just a personal goal I've set. My watch time is 9.1. My average view duration is 1:49. Click-through rate 2.6. Again, gained this 7 subscribers, 4.3K impressions. Of course, I'm not monetized, and I did do the 3 videos. If we look over here, weeks went up. I guess, overall, it kind of stayed the same. So my weeks went up, my videos too, my subscriber goals went up. Also my weeks to my, my watch time. So that is something that I'm, continuously working on, trying to figure, this out in a sense of trying to figure out what's working and what's not working for me. So these are my numbers. These are pretty much this just showing the graph of everything we just talked about. But let's get back to the video.
So you saw my numbers and you see where I'm at in terms of videos as far as watch time, subscriber count, different things like that. Like I said, there was a difference. I did see where, I was kind of trending down as far as like the number of weeks to said subscribers and the number of weeks to the viewing hours to receive monetization. But this past week I did see where those numbers increase. But again, I'm not going to allow that to discourage me or anything like that. I'm going to use that, maybe make a few tweaks, maybe add a few, just try to maybe make a few adjustments in the sense of maybe doing something differently, or maybe just week 6 just was not a good week. And I am looking forward to the episodes because I think that could be good, for me. And also with that, I can also do batching with that. So that's a good thing. But that's the video. I'm not gonna, hold you because it wasn't really too much I felt like I wanted to like discuss with this. But again, thank you for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video and if you're looking forward to continue to see as far as like my growth goes and different things that goes along with that, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.